This is one unique idea, you know. You can't find any hotel having water all around.
This location, guys, is awesome. Hey everyone, welcome to Flotel. So guys, I am in Kolkata now, and now I am in Flotel Hotel. And if you see the view, this hotel is situated little bit away from the road. You can see there is water all around, and we have a connecting bridge from the reception area to this hotel. Here is my laptop, baggage, and everything is there. We have got one small TV, bed is here, coffee setup, and glass and all, wardrobe. This is the toilet, so basin and few stuff for washing your hands, and this is the shower area. Okay, so this hotel seems good. You have got everything that you need. So let's go up and see all around what things are there, because view from the top of this building is very good. So we are going to go there and see how it looks. Can you see that Howrah pool over there? The view is so beautiful, guys. We will go to the top. So guys, for the first time I am at this hotel, and we have a bridge, same like on ship. We have bridge from where we can see all around, and same here in this hotel we have a bridge, and from here we can have a view of all the area around it. This location, guys, is awesome. We have a very nice view from the top, and what to say, you guys can see all around. We have buildings behind me, and if I turn around behind me, we have water all around. So only one side we have buildings, like we have a connecting bridge down which connects this flotel. The name is flotel, but actually like all around water is there when we have like high tide, or when more water is there in this river. So I think you will have a feel of like you are in some vessel that is in water. So it will, I don't know, it will give you a good feel. You can see a lot of boat that are operating here from that part to this part, like that. They are actually called ferry. So you can also board this ferry. I don't know where is the location. Maybe from there is a ghat. I don't know, maybe I have to check on internet. And there is the main Howrah pool. Here you can see SBI office is there, and some other thing. So guys, this is the bridge that I was talking about, from where we came, from that building reception to here, and there is the road. You can see their train.
This is one unique idea, you know. It's very unique. You can't find any hotel having water all around.
Yes.
So you have a romantic place here. You can bring your girlfriend and all.
So guys, now it's about 11 a.m. and our booking was only for a day, and by 12 p.m. we have to check out. So we will go now. See you guys in the next video. For now, have a nice day everyone. Bye bye. So guys, time to check out.
Bye bye.
Bye bye this hotel.